Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rochelle Biernes. I'm 25 years old. I'm a single. I'm a high school graduate. I have experienced a domestic helper in Qatar of 2 years.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My tasks there cleaning house, washing dishes, ironing, marketing, and car wash, and cooking.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I will take care of them by cooking food and feeding them.
Please tell some of your skills.
Madam and sir, I finished high school graduate. I can cook in Chinese and Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn more.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam and sir, it's unnecessary to be a good hardworking, honest and fast learning, God-fearing, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell to your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam, sir, I will promise to finish my contract 2 years. Thank you and God bless.